All right, final step here. Make moves and calibrate. This is pretty simple in terms of what we have to cover here, although, of course, it has a profound impact on your business. Here's a first consideration. If you've created info products before and they didn't fit into the model for your flagship product, that's perfectly fine. Any information product that you create and you attempt to go out there and sell is going to be a benefit for you. It's going to be a feather in your cap. And of course, you can readjust them in the future. You can just, if nothing else, utilize that experience, and you'll be surprised on when they will fit, even if you don't see it here today. So that's fine. Don't worry about it, okay? Second consideration, try to make moves that, even if the flagship product gets abandoned or doesn't quite hit, you're still going to be in a great position. So it is very possible that what you create and what you think is a flagship product at the end of the day just becomes another product that does well for you. I've had a lot of those products. They didn't make me millions, but they made me hundred thousands or tens of thousands even for a little effort, right? Now, they all help me move towards closer a different type of flagship product. So I figured out situations whenever I created products, they always put me in a better position than having not created them. Now, we don't want products that take so much time that if they don't hit, we're in a worse position. We always want to have minimum risk, maximum reward. And so this is a beautiful thing. This gives you permission to go out there and maybe make some wrong decisions, and that's okay as long as the moves that you're making help you advance every area that's going to be important for you to make money with your information product business. And let's talk about progression. A lot of people want linear progression, which is first I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do that, then I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do that. On the day-to-day level or on the systematic level of executing and getting something done and implementing it at the micro level, that can work, and that usually is sufficient. For bigger projects, you will never have that luxury. In a flagship product, you might not be ready for it today, and that's okay. When you are ready to do your flagship products, you're not going to have the luxury of doing it linearly, where you say, I'm going to first do this, then that, then this, then that, then that. You're going to have to do the non-linear, what we refer to as the layered approach. This is when you simultaneously do steps, some of them out of order. So you might do steps 1 and 2 and 6 and 4. And then come back later and do steps 3 and 5. And some of those steps you do, you know, you're not doing completely. You're just doing enough of it. And other steps you're going really deep on. You're going to know that you're going to come back to each and every one of these steps in the future and provide further treatment. Not just that you're going to come back. You're going to come back at really strategic times. So you're doing things out of order. You're piecing them together. You're doing different depths of each thing, which are not their total depths, knowing you're going to come back and go deeper on them in the future, even after customers have purchased them from you, to go and enhance them and build upon them. This is what your progression is going to look like. And the more you understand and learn about non-linear implementation, the better you're going to be as a marketer and as a business person.